Hi, this is Grandma Hobby with
Savannah Monkey, Veronica Monkey, Savannah Monkey, Making Monkey.
And today we're going to learn how to make monkey bread. And monkey bread has 5 ingredients in the yummy sauce. So we're going to put butter, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and water. Okay, we need a 1½ stick of butter. And Maggie, can you put that in for us? You can talk some if you want to. Tell us what it's like to unwrap butter.
It's very, very fun and buttery.
All right. Now that butter is all going to melt, and it's going to have brown sugar in it. So, Alexander, would you put the brown sugar in for us? Here, I'll bring it down to you. Okay. What was that like? Was that fun, Alexander? Yeah. Okay.
I don't really like monkey bread, but I'm just helping.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Next is the vanilla, and we're going to. Veronica has to be very, very careful because she's going to put 1 teaspoonful in. You've got to hold it real level, and I'll pour it in for you. Be real steady. Okay. Can you bring it up to the pan?
Be careful.
Wow, great job.
You did it.
Okay.
I'm not even that good. Excuse me.
And then now Savannah's going to put a tablespoon. See that go in there? Yeah. Not quite full enough. Oh, I think it's almost going to empty our cinnamon. Okay, now you can put that, hold on tight, don't spill. Hold on tight and pour it into the pan. Nice job. All right, and then last but not least, Grandma will pour in 1/4 cup of water. Okay. Now while we're prepping the biscuits, our yummy sauce will be melting and stewing together. Just don't get too close to the hot burner with your fingers. All right, so our syrup is beginning to cook. When it's all ready and when we're going to put it on the monkey bread, we'll have Grandpa make a picture of what it looks like when it's all cooked. Okay, we were getting ready to prepare the biscuits by opening the biscuit can, but Alexander's can decided to open on its own and went poof up in the air. So he's already ready to start his preparation. This is how we do this, Alexander. Grandma will cut your biscuits for you in 3 pieces, like that. 2 biscuits. You tell me when we have 5 biscuits, okay? That was 2 biscuits. This is 3. What number is this one? 4.
Wait.
And what's this one?
5.
5.
There you go.
All right. Now, there's 5 more in here, but we saved them for later. We're doing our first layer of monkey bread. Okay, and then does everybody want to open their biscuits?
Yeah. I think it's gonna pop open. I can't open it.
Okay.
How do you open it?
Let me show.
Oh, I saw that it's ripped here.
Yeah, I'll come back around and help you. Okay, now Savannah's biscuits we're going to open the regular way. They didn't pop open like Alexander's. So what we do is we Here, like that, and it pops open.
Wow.
And okay, now everybody take 2 or 3 of their cut ones and put them in their bag of sugar.
Okay.
And then shake it around.
Okay then. Put them in the bag of this.
Uh-huh.
Now zip it up.
You got any in there, Alexander? You got to put some biscuits in there.
Got a smiley face. I got
Okay, let's put some in here, Alexander.
I already cut mine open. Don't they?
Okay.
Keep shaking.
Okay, that's good. Now,
Shake.
open it up.
I'm shaking. Open it up.
Open
And
it
take
up.
them out.
And just put them in the pan.
Am I done shaking?
Uh-huh.
Until we're all covered with brown sugar. And sugar.
Okay, that's
They're all
plenty.
covered.
That's plenty. Well, every good cook always has a cloth handy, don't
I
they?
just needed this a lot.
Yeah, well, you got a little bit. Okay, Alexander, look what we're doing. Can you see?
I'm making a mess.
Oh, yes, that's what Grandma's doing. She's making a mess, and you know why that was? Because I was not careful to notice that the bag wasn't zipped. You have to have the bag
I need
zipped.
to go get some more water.
Okay, we will.
My little pop out. That's funny.
Okay, and while you guys are all shaking them in the sugar and putting them in the pan, Grandma is going to go check the sauce.
Okay.
The sauce is all ready for us to pour on the first layer of biscuits when they're ready.
Our fingers are messy. Oh. Hey, stop, guys! Don't throw the ball like that. Cause I'm trying to do something. Okay. Just buy some white. Okay, that's.
Grandma will pour the sauce on. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's very hot.
It doesn't make any noise, Veronica. Okay? Oh. I love monkey bread. Is it monkey bread now?
Not quite.
It needs to bake.
Okay, so now we've done this one time, we just have to repeat the whole thing. Okay, ready to shake, Alexander? Zip up the bag. Don't want to make a mess like Grandma did. Okay, we got to do it like that. There. Alexander, can you put bunch them up. Just drop them easily, and then I'll spread them out for you. So you want to cover it all. Nice. That's the way to do it.
It's trying to get messy, so I need to move it all the way over here.
That's a good idea. It does save it from being messy.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, any more?
I did not do that.
All
No
right. Okay. Now we're going to pour the rest on here. And I wonder if we could get Mommy to get us a wet washcloth to wipe our hands on. Is we cover it, plastic wrap.
Okay. Why? Yeah, do that.
So it doesn't dry out. And then we put it in the refrigerator overnight. Now you could bake it right now if we had been making this in the morning. No, and put it in the refrigerator overnight, then Grandma will get up in the morning, turn on the oven, and when you get up, we'll have monkey bread for Easter breakfast. How does that sound?
Well, I'm not having it for Easter breakfast.
I know, because you will find something else to use.
I don't know if you're good at this game yet. Back in order. Oh! Back in this line. Veronica, your turn. Get up and maybe you. Oh! No. You get to go to the doctor. What's the end of the line? Oh, so close! Oh no! Why do I have to die? That's your turn. My turn. Make your turn. Yay! That's my turn.
Okay, it's time to take the monkey bread out of the oven.
Delicious. That looks good. Delicious. That looks good.
Savannah doesn't know what she's missing, not liking monkey bread, does she?
And I'm ready to munch this thing up.
All right, hand me the spoon over there, Maggie.
Yep.
Okay, and take your napkin off your plate.
Why do you need a spoon? You got the monkey bread. I do need a fork.
Okay, next. Next. Are you next?
No.
Alexander, you next?
Okay, may I have your plate, please? Hold your fork for me. Oh boy, you guys did a nice job on this monkey bread. Those monkeys are so nice and juicy. Use your napkin.
That tastes delicious.
Alexander, how do you like your monkey bread? How about you? How do you like yours?
Mm.
Delicious.
Here comes something to drink.
Mother.
Come.
I'm Savannah Monkey. We're going to show you how to make monkey bread. I don't really like monkey bread, but I'm just helping make it. My name is Maggie Monkey, and I'm going to teach you how to make monkey bread. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to not eat apples and bananas. I like to. My name is Monkey, and I'm gonna show you how to make monkey bread. So, the ingredients. So, the monkey bread is all ready. The end.
When we get that first layer,
The end.
My name is Monkey, so I'm going to show you how to make monkey bread, and the monkey bread is outside waiting, and then it flowed up to the sky, up to the sun, and then it got burned. The end.